4916 is? You are given with 4 options here, 45, 54, 56 and 46. Here I am going to cancel the first option directly because the number is ending with 5. Its square must contain the unit place as 5 only. Now among these 3 I am going to cancel 46 also. You are guessing how I can do it. You will come to know that. In these 2 directly I can select 54 as the answer. But how? How quickly we can find square root of any number? Using Vedic mathematical tricks, you can find that very easily. Yes, your guess is correct. We are learning finding square root of any given number using Vedic mathematical tricks. There will be 2 stages, finding square root for perfect squares as well as imperfect squares. So in this video, we are learning finding square root of a perfect square. Before going to the steps, we need to understand few basic things about square numbers. So please be with me. We are dealing with even 5-digit number also. Welcome to Tricks for Maths. This is Sharda Hegde. Before moving further, we need to understand few concepts which are basic about perfect square. You already know what are perfect square, right? These are the perfect square. When you multiply the number by itself and the root of that square will not a decimal number, right? That is called perfect square. Here I have listed perfect square till 20. Here is a special case in these numbers. Now we are going to concentrate only on unit places of square numbers. Yes, 1 square is 1. Till this you will get only single digit. Okay, from this you will get 2 digits. So I am concentrating only on unit places. Okay, you are observing 14965. Okay, please go to this column, 14965. I hope you got, right? Unit places are same. If you take 11 to 20, I have taken here 21 to 30, 31 to 40. How much number you take, you will get the same unit places with respect to of the numbers. Okay, and now I will start with again 6 square, 6941, 6940, right? So you will get the same digits which are repeated, okay, in every set of 10 numbers. That means only digits 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, anyhow 0, okay. All the base 10 values we will get 0. I am not considering 0 here. 14965, 14965 we are getting which are repeated. Okay, again in the second set also you will get same 6941. Yes, right. So now we can conclude that only these digits will repeat for perfect squares, right? And inversely, how we can say that 2378 will not occur in unit place of a perfect square. I hope you got 2, okay, and 3. See, in between 1 and 4 you will get 2 and 3. 5 and 6 are there. 7 and 8 you will not get, right? That means 2, 3, 7, 8 will not occur in unit place of any perfect square. Okay, one thing we concluded. Now one more thing is here. If 1 comes in place of square number and what comes in the unit place of its root. Okay, 1 is here, so its root is 11. Okay, 121's root is 11 and unit place also it contains 1 only. Let me check one more number. I got 361 here. 1 is in unit place, but unit place of the number square root is 9. That means I can get either 9 or 1. Let me cross check for the first column. I got 1 and the root also 1 only. That means unit place of a root also 1. Okay, it holds good for both the numbers. I come to 81. Now the root contains in units place 9. Here also I got 9. Here also I got 9. Yes, if you consider 29 and 21 also, you will get the same. That means how I can conclude? If my perfect square ends with 1, my square root can ends with either 1 or 9. Yes. Similarly, let me go for 4. Okay, the second digit which repeats. 4, it can ends with 2, the square root, or with 8. Yes, there is a possibility either it ends with 2 or 8. Similarly, if I take 6, either it ends with 4 or it ends with 6. That means there will be 2 possibilities for each and every digit which is in a square number. If I am given with 2916, I have taken this, right? In the beginning of the video only. Yes, I have taken this. That means my square number is ending with 6. So how can I find the root? I selected 54, right? Yes. How I got 4? Because if the number ends with 6, my root can end with either 4. See, it is ending with 6. Either 4 or 6. Yes, I got 54 as well as 56. So I can directly say 4 or 6 will come in my square root. It is very easy, right? I will make one table for that. It will be very convenient to you. Please go through that and solve few examples, and if you thorough it, you will solve problem with any number of digits. Let me make a table. So here, if perfect square ends with, that means a digit, okay, if it ends with particularly with that digit, and how its square root will end with, okay. So we know 1, 4, 6, 9, 5 are the digits we will get in the end of the perfect square, okay. So if it ends with 1, either its square root will end with 1 or 9, okay. 1 ones are 1, and similarly 9 nines are is 81. So it is ending with 1 only. You can remember like that, okay. Now 4, either it is 2 or it is 8, okay. 2 twos are 4 or 22s are or 32s are, whatever it comes, and 8 8s are is 64, okay. 4 you will get, right, like that, okay. 6 is nothing but 4 4s is 16 or 6 6 is 36, like that you can remember. Now 9, it is 3 3s is 9 or 7 7s is 49. So its root will contain 7 in its units place. And similarly 5 is nothing but 5 only, okay. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are or 15 15s are is 225. So always ends with 5 only. So only these things you will remember, okay. Please remember this and try to use for few numbers, and you will get to know how to do this. Very quickly you will solve. You will find the square root of any perfect number. Now I am going to take a 4-digit perfect number and we will find out the square root of that number. Yes. Let me consider 7921. Okay. So what are the steps to be followed to find out square root of this perfect square? We know if it is ending with 1, that means if a perfect square ending with 1, its square root will have either 1 or 9. I hope you are observing, right? Now we got 1 in the unit place, so its square root will have 1 or 9. So I will write like this. There will be 2 digits, okay. These are the options, okay. I will get 2 options and then I need to find out the correct answer from that. So either it ends with 1 or 9, but I need to find out the tens place value also. Now please cross out the last 2 digits, that means tens place and ones place. You neglect that, okay. Now you are with now 79 in your given number, 79. Please find out the nearest square of that number. 79 is in between, it is 64 and 81. Am I correct? 8 square and 9 square. Okay, I will write here 79 is in between 64 and 81. That is 9 square and 8 square. It is in between. If I consider 9, that means if I take 9 here, what happens? It exceeds 81 because it becomes 91 or 99. That means 91 square and 99 square must be 79821, right? So I can't consider the bigger value here. Okay, so I must consider 64. That is 8 square. Okay, I can write 8 here. Either it is 81 square or 89 square. Only 2 steps I have covered. Okay, first step is just by considering the unit place, you will find out the units place, possible units place. Okay, 1 or 9. For the tens place, what you will do? You will consider this group. Okay, and you will find out the nearest squares. So it is 64 here because you can't consider 9, that 81. So you will go for 64. The square root is 8. That is very easy. That 8 you will write here. 2 steps are over. And the third one, okay, from that only you can decide quickly. Okay, the third step is write this 8, what you have written here, what you have found. Okay, 8 multiplied by the next number, whatever it may be. Okay, 8 nines is 72. 72 you got. Okay, please compare this with the set what you have considered now. Okay, 72 you are comparing 79. The given set, the given group is bigger than the product what you have got. 79 is bigger than 72. Please select bigger number. Only this much. This is your answer. 89 is the answer. We will go for few more examples, and without doing anything, we will go for writing the answer. I have taken 8649. Now, the first step, go for unit place. It is ending with 9. So, my square root will end either with 3 or 7. So, I got 2 options here, right? 7 or 3. I need to find out the tens places also. Here are the 2 options. Okay. Now, for the tens place, what we need to do? I will strike out the last 2 digits. I will not consider 49 now. I will only consider 86. Right? 86 is in between 81, that is 9 square, and 100, that is 10 square. Right? But if I consider 10 in this place, it exceeds 86. Starts with only 800, right? Now what I will do? I will consider 81, which is square of 9. So I can write 9 here. Okay. So our square root will be 93 either or 97. Now in order to find the correct option, I will multiply this 9 with the next digit, that is 10. 9 tens is 90. So my given number is 86. Okay, this set what I have considered now, this 86 is less than the product, right? So less than the product means in these 2 options what I will select? I will select the lesser number. 93 is the answer. Please cross check with the calculator. I hope you loved the method, right? We will go for now any 5-digit number. Here I have taken 12,544, a 5-digit number. The first step, just guessing the unit place of a square root, right? It is ending with 4. So either 2 or 8 we will consider in the unit place. Okay. 2 or 8 I have considered. Now for the rest of the digits, we will cancel out last 2 digits. We will take only 1 to 5. So which is the nearest perfect square for 1 to 125? That is 11 square is 121 and 12 square is 144. So we can consider 125 lies between 121, that is 11 square, and 144, that is 12 square. I can't go for 12 square because it exceeds 125, right? 144 we will get. So only the below number only we will consider in all the cases. So 121 is nothing but 11 square. I will go for 11. Now my question is, which one is correct? 11, 112 or 118 is the square root. For that, what we will do? We will multiply this 11 by the very next number. Yes, 11 multiplied by 12. We have already learned crisscross method, which is very easy. You will write 1, 2 and 2 plus 1, 3. So this I have shown in my channel only. Please go for that video and you will find out the answer. Yes, 132 is the answer, product. Now please compare these two. 125 is lesser than 132. Do you agree? Yes, 125 is less. So I will choose a lesser number. 112, that means 112 is the square root of 12,544. Very quickly we have done it, right? I hope you have enjoyed the trick. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and support. I will meet you in the next video with more information. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.